Hi, welcome to the Get Your Merch Made in Vietnam online course. My name is Chris, and I'm confident that if you complete this course, you will know how to get merch made in Vietnam. In this introductory course or introductory lesson, I'm going to explain to you about my history, about books that I've written, about my network, and the team that I've built here in Vietnam. I moved to Vietnam in 2008, and I started working for a sportswear factory as their marketing manager. They sent me to the Sourcing and Magic in Las Vegas show for 6 years in a row, where I had the amazing opportunity to meet a lot of established professionals and startups. And by answering all their questions and hearing their stories, that's how I've gotten to today, where I'm a Vietnam sourcing expert that offers factory tours and does consulting for fashion startups. 2012 until today, I've had over 300 conversations with people interested in manufacturing in Vietnam, and I've helped them find great factories and successfully produce their merch. Early on in my career, I started writing down all the knowledge that I was learning, and I put them into ebooks, which are available on Amazon. I wrote an ebook on garment production, buying eco fabrics, quality control, and how to make tech packs. Over the last 15 years, I've built up an amazing network of factories like Tyson, Unavailable, Aurora Garments, Nha Be and Intermax. They all invited me into their factories where I had a chance to learn on the factory floor and get a lot of practical experience, which I will share with you today in the course. I've also made some amazing friends, people like Maksym, who's an expert in jeans, Edgar, who's an expert in screen printing, and Khiem, who's in charge of global sources of all of Vietnam. And the last reason why I'm confident that I can help you get merch made in Vietnam is that because over the last 15 years, I've worked with some amazing Vietnamese tech packers, graphic designers, production managers, and merchandisers who have shared with me their insight and knowledge as to how to get things made in Vietnam. I'm confident that I can help you either through this course or in person to get your merch made in Vietnam. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about why do we do what we do. See you there.